researched how to buy shares of InnSuites Hospitality Trust, a company that owns and operates budget and midscale hotels listed on NASDAQ under the ticker IHT. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker IHT to locate the listing. Choose the result that clearly matches InnSuites Hospitality Trust on NASDAQ. On the asset page, review the company overview and the price chart to confirm you have the correct stock. Verify the exchange shows NASDAQ and the ticker IHT before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, select the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may be scheduled for the next session. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add money before confirming. After a successful purchase, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For a link to the platform used in this example, see the description below.